Hello, this is Elizabeth, your solar advisor. Are you in the California area? Are you experiencing the crazy ice storm and snowstorm that's out there? Were you aware that SDGE has put in to raise their rates yet again? I would love to help you get grandfathered into NEM 2.0. Let's talk. The increase in utility cost are going to price people out of being able to decide between medicine, food to eat, what bills to pay, and that sort of thing. But it's a necessity. If you're going to get solar, did you know that there's $0 down? You don't pay anything for the switchover. And you can get up to 50% in tax credits.